The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B, also known as Hunter-B, is an upcoming 6th-generation heavy stealth drone designed to operate alongside the Su-57 aircraft. This drone features a flying wing design, a takeoff weight of approximately 20 tons, and a maximum speed of around 1,000 kilometers per hour. Its operational range reaches 6,000 kilometers, and it is speculated to be powered by either the older L-31F engine or the more advanced AL-41F engine, similar to the one used in the Su-35's air superiority fighter. Recently, a new prototype of the Okhotnik-B was unveiled with several enhancements. These improvements include a stealthier exhaust nozzle configuration and additional decking both above and below the drone's fuselage. These additions are intended to reduce its infrared and radar signatures, making it less detectable to enemy radar. The leading edge of its flying wing design is also coated with radar-absorbent materials, contributing to a smoother finish while reducing seams and exposed metal fasteners compared to previous Russian designs. According to the head of the state tech corporation Rostec, production of this unmanned combat air vehicle will begin soon. The first flying prototype was rolled out in 2021, and they plan to commence serial production and deliver it to the Defense Ministry by 2023. With a weight of 20 tons, a wingspan of 17.6 meters, and a length of 13.6 meters, the S-70 is notably large for an unmanned aircraft. Its AL-41F turbofan engine, similar to the one on the Su-57, allows it to claim a combat range of 2,500 miles and a top speed of 621 miles per hour. The drone's fuselage is designed with 2 internal bays capable of carrying more than 2 tons of weaponry or specialized equipment. Russian Deputy Minister of Defense, Alexei Krivoruchko, expressed optimism about the Hunter-B, stating that its development has reached the assembly stage with all necessary onboard equipment meeting the aircraft's requirements. Complex ground tests will follow before its maiden flight. The S-70's flying wing design bears resemblance to the U.S. Air Force's RQ-170 stealth drone, which had one of its units hacked and captured by Iranian forces. Speculation arises that Iran may have shared design features with Moscow. Russia contemplates using the S-70 in a loyal wingman role alongside the Su-57 Felon, potentially deploying multiple hunters together. Nevertheless, it is essential to remain cautious, as Russia has a history of overstating equipment capabilities. The improved stealth characteristics demonstrated in the second prototype will require comprehensive ground and air tests before full-scale production. In addition to technical challenges, Russia's ability to finance, develop, and produce new designs has faced economic obstacles and Western sanctions. It has resulted in delays and setbacks in deploying weapons and acquiring replacement parts. The successful implementation of the Hunter-B's features would make it a formidable adversary. Russia's willingness to disclose information on the S-70 development might be a strategic move to demonstrate confidence in their capabilities, both domestically and internationally, particularly in terms of conducting stealthy penetrating operations, a concern shared with the U.S.,